this is Rosalie, and this is Kelly at the Wichita Falls Public Library.
We're here to show you how to turn plastic bottles into DIY planters.
Alright, the one that I'll be showing you today is just a little water bottle planter that you can put on your windowsill and watch it grow.
And then I'm going to be showing you how to do a hanging herb garden, essentially. You can grow herbs or flowers in these, but it uses multiple bottles so you can try and help the earth out a little bit better. So we're going to have craft kits as well for these. All we're going to have is the cord, 2 5-foot long pieces of cord, 1 roll of washi so you can try and decorate it, and then about 3 cups of soil and a sampling of seeds so you can start your own little garden.
So let's get into the video. For this easy recycled water bottle planter, you will need an empty water bottle without its label, scissors, and a roller. Next, you will need to measure 4 inches from the bottom of the bottle and cut the bottle in half at that height. After this, you can choose to decorate your bottle with tape, paint, or anything else that you have at home. The bottom half of the bottle is where you will pour water into. And the top part of the bottle is where you will pack in your soil and put in your seeds or flowers. You will need to remove the lid from the top part of the bottle. Once you've done that, you'll lower it into place on top of the bottom part of the bottle. And you're done. Just make sure that your plant is getting enough water and sun for it to grow.
For the hanging planter, you will need scissors, a ruler, and 3 water bottles of any size, labels removed. First, cut the top part of each bottle off. Next, cut 2 small holes on opposite sides of your bottle near the top. Now thread about 3 to 4 inches of cord through one hole and double knot it. Using a ruler, measure the distance you want between the first bottle and the next one. I chose to keep these bottles about 6 inches apart. Continue measuring, threading, and knotting until you have one side done. Then repeat with the other side. Try to keep the lengths even, but being a tiny bit off is fine. I left at least 2 foot of cord at the top for tying it to where you want to hang it. Once fully strung up, you can fill each bottle with soil and start planting. So, if you recreate either of the planters, we really want to see them. If you want to post pictures in the comments below.
Thank you for watching.